Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix RTC connecting in your Discord in your device. So first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to make sure that the application that you're using, which is Discord, is updated. So head over to your Play Store and simply search for Discord. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Go ahead, open it, then select Use section. Select the gear icon of settings. Scroll all the way below, you will see Cache Actions under Developer Settings. Tap onto it, select Clear Cache. Now once you do so, what you have to do is long tap onto Discord, select the eye icon, and also clear the cache from your device. Select Storage, Clear Cache. I would also recommend you to clear the data, so read all these and then only select Delete. Lastly, force stop Discord, select OK, restart your device, launch your Discord, then you're going to have to re-log into your Discord account, use it, and it will fix your problem.